Happy birthday. Louder guys. Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday, Arjun. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Archie. Let us all give Archie, Mommy, and Daddy a big round of applause. His name, how old are you now? 5 years old. You're Filipino? Yes. What will you say to Archie, our birthday girl? Okay, already now, huh? What are the 7 Emirates of UAE? Answer this trivia question. Of course, if you answer this trivia question, I'll give you some present, okay? The 7 Emirates of UAE are, your number 1 is? Louder! Number 1, what else? Wow! Dubai, Abu Dhabi, what else? There's one. After California. Are you with RJ again? Come on. You know the answer, right? You know the answer? You know the answer. What's the highest or tallest building in Malaysia? How old are you now? 5 years old, okay? So, you're already 5 years old and thinking the question. What is the highest or tallest building in UAE? Your answer is? Burj Khalifa! Yay! Very good! Sit down there. Who else? Let's put more. Can you hold it for me? Okay, hold it first, and let's put more. Okay, the additional cups. First, the main 2-point winner, right? And the winners will receive something from RJ, the birthday girl. Alright, very good. And all you have to do is, if I say, ready, get set, go, you have to pick up this cup as many as you can, alright? Of course, and after that, I need to make a count from. Put it together now! Alright, as fast as you can! Hurry up, 10, 9, 8, 4, 7. Boys team, girls team. Boys team, put it together now. Girls team, come on. Put it together now, girls team. Let's see who's the winner. Okay. Very good, boys team. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's compare it now, huh? Okay, this one, from RJ's team. Wow! 1 point for the girls team. Ready? Get set. Move back. Ready? Get set. And go. Go. Come on. Faster. Go. Okay? Now, it's time to see who's the lucky winner, who's the team winner, okay? Kumusta? Congressman, come here. choose the winner. Let me see your cups. Are they? Are they? Alright, so very good. Give it to me now. Can I borrow this one first? Look at your partner, come on, look at your partner. Shake your hips, shake your hips. Working hands. Another one. Shake your hips. Alright, that's green light. One more. And red light. Stop. Don't move. Stay where you are. And then let's touch you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have your present a while ago. So don't worry. Very good, very good. And stop. What is your name? Alright, come here, sweetie. What do we sit down first? Clap your hands again for them. Yay! Come on, Victor. Alright, sit down here, sit down. Don't worry lang. Sit down! Come here. Alright, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. This way, this way, this way, this way. Hey, this way, this way, this way. Slowly, 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 slowly. Come on, hurry up. You are not going.
Bakit?
Okay, let's move and find another.
Pagka nakakuha kayo papunta sa amin, nauuna pa sana na.
And go! Okay, please sit down first. Come on, Pagabi, please sit down. Alright, and of course, yeah, hey, sit down there, sit down. Very good. Okay, so how many kids got now? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Please stand up, up, up. Now, let's remove another chairs. Wait, these two. Alright. So here we go now. Oh, swim like a fish. Slowly, 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 slowly. Slowly, slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, alright, there's one more. What's your name? Lara. Put your hands together for Lara. Lara, how old are you now? 4 years old. Now say happy birthday. Happy birthday. RJ. Lara, please sit down here first, Lara. Yay! Then who's up here? Hey, what happened here? Okay, I'll give you another chance. Please stand up, 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 up. Now! Because what happened here, I need to remove 3 chairs now. Rapid. Ready, get set, go! Slowly, RJ, slowly, RJ, slowly, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Yay, very good. Don't worry,
Nanigurado.
So, 1, 2, is this your, yeah, mommy? Okay, very good. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chairs and 8 kids. Please go up, 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 up. Oh. And then like that. 10, 9, 8. Slowly, slowly. 7, 6, 5, 4. No, not yet. 3. No pushing, no pushing, no pushing. And go! Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit down there, sit down. Sit down. Alright, don't worry, kids. Once again, later on, all of you will get something. Okay, we have a lot of kilos right here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give them the big chance, okay? Please stand up now. Come on, up, up. And move, and let's go. This way. That way, that way, that way, that way. slowly. Slowly. If the music stops, you have to sit down, ha? Trevor, how old are you now? And? Oh, come on, Trevor, come here, Trevor. How old are you now? Sit down! Clap your hands together for Trevor. Don't worry, buddy. You have your personal managers, so let's give them a big chance, okay? So, Trevor, and a message for RJ. What's your message to her? Thank you so much, Trevor. Please sit down first. Go, move, wave your hands and shake your hands. Come on, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I saw you. Come here. Put your hands together for her. Sit down. Last one. Last and final round. Okay. Yes. We have a winner. Wow. RJ. Ayan. Kanina may medyo ulit eh. Come on down here. Photo together with RJ. Figure picture. Ready. Get set. Smile. And a message for your friend, our classmate RJ. What is your message to her? Louder.
I wish you
Here again. Yay! Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, please sit down there now. Sit down. Yay! As long as you can, huh? Ready? Get up.
Happy birthday,
RJ, you say happy birthday. Okay, as long as you can. Ready? You try. Happy birthday. Ready? Get set, go. Clap your hands together for RJ. Alright. How old are you now again? 5 years old. Message to mommy and daddy naman. Don't worry, she will send it via email. Okay? Very good, kids. Very good. Okay, so it's time. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Another one. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All together now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Let's all go to five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go together. And guys, the birthday party of RJ will not be complete if there's no message for your princess RJ. Let's start with mommy first. Mommy, message for her. And attention everyone, we need to listen to mommy now because you know why? The mommy of RJ right now, she's very much emotional. So please, mommy, don't cry.
Happy birthday, RJ. Happy birthday. Love you. Wish ko lang sana lagi kang ngayon pa. Medyo mawasan ng pagkakas. Leave your life and don't feel happy. Thank you so much.
Come on, mommy. Daddy, come on. Daddy. more emotional. Let's listen to Daddy now.
Thank you sa lahat, Malon. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. And of course, my birthday wish for RJ is more birthdays of love, more goodness of love, more cake to slice, and more crumbs to provide. Sana RJ, ikaw ay maging isang batang mabait, may tamad sa Diyos, may tamad sa iyong mga magulang, ngayon, bukas, at at this moment, our birthday ball is now. All you have to do, I say, ready, get set, go. I want you to be Abracadabra. Get set. Wow, Maggie!
Hindi sa kanya napunta.
Happy birthday, RJ. Come on, love it. Happy birthday, RJ. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you so much. Let us give our birthday girl, RJ, mommy and daddy, a big round of applause. RJ, message to your friends and classmates. What is your message to them? Come on.
Ano na?